Hey everyone, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and I don't know about where you live, but it's already starting to feel like fall here, and I've got a really special invite for you guys I can't wait to share. Hey guys, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate. I am so excited because I have been sharing home tours on my blog for years now. Seasonal home tours for fall, winter, Christmas, you name it. And I've not shared any on YouTube yet. I don't know how that happened, but I'm finally going to start sharing some, and I want to invite you guys to join me. I am joining with my friend Colleen at Lemon Thistle to host our seasonal home tours. We are going to be sharing a room in our house and inviting you guys to join us. If you don't know Colleen, she blogs at lemonthistle.com and she has a beautiful home. If you like my style at all, you will love hers. Seriously, go check her out. She has a beautiful home she's renovating. She's super creative. She has amazing hand lettering, and she does it all with 4 kids. Back to the challenge. We are hosting seasonal home tours here on YouTube. We want to see a room or a space in your home. It doesn't have to be your whole home, and it doesn't have to be all done up. Just one space where you're adding to it for the fall, and show us what you're doing to add some fall decor to your home. We are hosting this challenge on October 5th, Saturday in the morning. There will be a playlist that you can all link up to, and it will go live at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you want to participate on YouTube, please mention that this is hosted by Lindy at Love Create Celebrate and Colleen at Lemon Thistle. And don't forget to mention my seasonal home tour and that this is the fall home tour. If you don't have YouTube and you still want to play along, you can share on Instagram. I'll put our handles here, but it is at love_create_celebrate, and it is at Colleen Pasteur. Please follow us, tag hashtag my seasonal home tour so that we can see your photos on Instagram as well as on YouTube. It's gonna be super fun. Thank you for joining us. I cannot wait to see what rooms you share.